Let's stop pretending for a second. You're not broke because there aren't opportunities. You're stuck because you keep missing the right one or overthinking it. How many times have you said, "I'll check it out later," and later never came? Be honest. This is one of the simplest systems out right now. Designed for real people, not marketers. How much time have you wasted? How much money have you spent chasing things that didn't work? Programs, courses, systems. All hype, no results. Meanwhile, you're watching other people post wins. And you're sitting there wondering, why not me? That feeling? Yeah, that's what being stuck looks like. So here's the truth. It's not that you can't win. You've just been using systems that were never built for beginners. Too complicated. Too much guesswork. Too much effort for too little return. That's why ProfitPalsPro hits different. This is one of the simplest systems out right now. Designed for real people, not marketers. We're talking about a system that helps you generate $50, $100, even $200 payments, multiple times a day. And no, this isn't one of those things where you need experience. You don't need to build anything. You don't need to chase people. You don't need to figure it out. The system literally does most of the work. You plug in, follow simple steps, and let it run. That's why beginners are finally seeing results. But here's the part nobody likes to hear. If you don't take action on this, you're going to end up in the same place 30 days from now. Same stress, same bills, same "I wish I would have tried it." And someone else? They're going to take your spot and win with it. So here's the decision. Stay comfortable, stay stuck, keep watching, or finally do something different. Click the link at the bottom.